Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a data source in Grafana. Now once you're logged in here on the left hand panel, you'll actually find a bunch of options, and if you don't see, it's probably because it's hidden. So you need to come here at the top left, click on the logo to open this menu, and you can click on this icon to dock the menu so it actually stays there. Okay, and then click here on this arrow under connections, and you can actually add a new connection. And once we add the connection, it will show up here under data sources. So click here on add a new connection. You'll see all the different data sources you can get. For example, MySQL, Prometheus, Loki. You can even search them up right here. What I'll do, I'll come all the way down here and let's go ahead and add this one, test data. So you just click on it, okay? And then it will be added once you click on add new data source. As you can see, data source has been added. And if we come back here to data sources, it should be listed. And then you can go ahead and begin configuring them. Okay. And once you're done configuring the data source, you can click on save and test. Literally that easy and simple. So that is how to add a data source in Grafana.